Recording. Van. Van. Can you say dada? Van, say dada. Da 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 da. Van. Say dada. Hang on to him. Van. Say dada. This is Raina getting him out of the car seat in the back of the car. All on her own. Now she's treating him like he's a baby doll. Baby tonight. I can't. What's she doing, buddy? What's Sissy do? What is she doing?
This is what you're going to look like when you're a big boy sometime, right? That's what he's going to look like when he's a big boy sometime.
Hi, Dada. Hi, baby.
When you're a big boy, you're going to look like that.
What's it do? What's it do? What?
He's up a golden.